So Halloween. So do you want to do like a couple thing? Or?
I think that's kind of. I don't know. The couple thing seems kind of like.
Well, good, because I didn't want to do a couple thing. Okay.
Are you sure? 'Cause
Yeah.
it seemed like
No,
you
I
kinda
have the perfect costume.
Okay.
It's. Do you know who Dwight Gooden is?
No, who's Dwight?
Okay, he's a baseball player from the mid '80s, late '80s, kind of like when I was growing up.
Yeah.
See, the problem is he's African American. So I'm just gonna need
So
a
you
lot
have
of.
to do, like,
I know
a
I'm
makeup
going
job.
all the way through it, all the way. Except this is the catch. I'm doing Dwight Gooden from 1997 when he had a huge cocaine problem. See,
So it's like him with a twist.
So it's like he's still dressed up like he's prime form in 1985.
Okay.
But it's really him in 1997 when he's just a little overweight, just not as good anymore, and has a huge cocaine problem.
It's just-
You'd be like a hot mermaid or
Yeah, sometimes it's just easiest to just dress up like a slut. Like, that's what girls do. Like, when they don't know what to be for Halloween, they just dress up really
I
trashy.
like it. I like it.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
So
it's
maybe,
cool.
like, if push comes to shove, I'll just, like, throw in some fishnets.
Okay,
Some
I'm down.
boots.
Yeah.
Alright,
I mean, Dwight Gooden would be down with that.
Well, are you sure that you don't want to go, like, as a couple, as a themed couple? Because, I mean, are we dating?
I thought we discussed this.
I'm just trying to get it
not at
straight.
all.
Well, I mean, like...
Well, about dating.
Yeah.
I don't know. I guess.